Welcome everyone. On this Vegas NOLA Man, get to know your way around Mandalay Bay and the Vegas $20 room upgrade trick. Kick it! I love how Mandalay Bay is so spacious and elegant. The games in this 135,000 square foot casino are spread out to give players extra room and comfort. Now leaving the casino floor and passing by Noodle Shop and Seabreeze Cafe, we're heading towards the elevator banks and the hotel lobby. Here is the self-check-in, mobile check-in area. I'm going to stand in line instead to check in with a desk clerk and do what is known as the $20 trick or the $20 sandwich. This is how I do it. Always be cheerful and polite to the desk clerk. And as the clerk is confirming my reservation, I discreetly place a $20 bill on the counter and ask if any complimentary upgrades are available. The clerk will start looking for available upgrades, and it may take a little while, but remain polite and patient because they are doing everything they can to get you that upgrade. On this visit to Mandalay Bay, I reserved a regular Resort King room for 2 nights, which I booked for free through the My Vegas app. Thus, I only have to pay the resort fees for the 2 nights. And as a result of the $20 trick, I'm upgraded to an Executive King Suite. So what it breaks down to is, I'm paying less than $55 a night for an Executive King Suite. I love this town. We are leaving the lobby now and heading towards the north side of the property. Here on the northeast side of Mandalay Bay is Starlight Tattoo and the Tram Station. head up the escalator to ride the tram. Learn everything you need to know about riding the Mandalay Bay tram by watching my video. I left a link in the description below. Here is the House of Blues restaurant and bar, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And here is a look at the House of Blues burger. It was a good burger. I would give it a rating of 4 out of 5. Continuing to the northwest corner of the property is the escalator up to the Shops at Mandalay Place and the walkway to Luxor. On the right is -5 Ice Bar, where everything there is made of ice, and the patrons rent parkas and gloves to drink there. Okay, one of the reasons I come to Las Vegas is for the warm, sunny weather, so I really don't understand the appeal of this place. The sportsbook is located on the east side of the casino floor. Continuing south on the property, there is the French Bistro Fleur, Citizen's Kitchen, Kumi Japanese Restaurant, Strip Steak, and Rhythm Riffs Cocktail Lounge. I stopped by the M Life desk and redeemed a reward for a free cocktail at Rhythm Riffs from the My Vegas app. Soon I was enjoying this lovely mojito. Free is good. And here is the notorious long hallway to the South Convention Center, Border Grill, Shark Reef Aquarium, and the food court. I'm exhausted. It's time to head up to the room. The Executive King Suite is a 786 square foot double room with 2 separate closets. The bathroom has a giant bathtub with a separate shower. There's a desk and a couch with too many pillows from which you can view the strip from.
There's nothing left to say, nothing you could do. There is no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep moving on, you know you'll make it through.
Also, there is a minibar fridge and a in-room coffee maker. If you bring your own K-cups, you'll save a small fortune. Check out my Mandalay Bay pool and tram videos. I put the links in the description below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.